Hello students, now I'm again present with new video and now this time we are discussing about the Aldol condensation. In your syllabus the Aldol condensation is there. So without wasting the time we are just start our discussion regarding the Aldol condensation. First, before going to start the reaction and mechanism, first we come to know what is aldol. Aldol simply, if we are understand, Al means what? The aldehyde. ALD means what? Aldehyde, and ol means what? A hydroxyl group or alcoholic group. If any product having these two functional groups are present, then it is known as the aldol. Okay, and the name is the condensation means what? If the two similar kind of molecule or two different kind of molecules are react togetherly simultaneously, then it is known as the condensation. Okay, so what is the general reaction in the Aldol reaction? When the two molecules of aldehyde, okay, here the two molecules of aldehyde, CH3CH acetaldehyde, but the important thing is that these aldehydes must contain the alpha hydrogens, must contain the alpha hydrogen. Why alpha hydrogen is important? Because this functional group having this carbon atom, this is called as alpha, and this alpha having a hydrogen, then it will be behave as an acidic in nature. So this acidic nature is important for the formation of the aldol product. So the alpha hydrogen is important. So these in this reaction, general reaction, two molecules of aldehyde in the presence of NOH, then it will forms 3-hydroxybutanol. 3-hydroxybutanol. Okay. How it will be formed? Let's see the mechanism. Mechanism start. This can we write the CH3 in this manner, because this hydrogen is going to be donate. It will be behaving as an acidic in nature. Okay, and it will containing as an alpha hydrogen. Okay, so what happened here? I have already mentioned the NOH means strong base is already dissociated into in reaction vessel Na plus and OH minus. This OH minus is a strong base and strong nucleophile, so it will easily take up a proton from the methyl group, and this bond, carbon hydrogen bond, shifted on the carbon atom and forms the enolate anion, CH2 CHO, and this carbon becomes a negative charge. Okay, all of you are getting. Now what happened? This is happened in the first step. Now what happened in the step 2? St2 means what? The step 2. What happened in the step 2? Another molecule of the acetaldehyde. Okay, so in reaction vessel we are just dropping the acetaldehyde drop by drop. Okay, so in the next molecule of acetaldehyde is very fast react on the carbonyl carbon. Why it is so fast and why this will be not behaving as an acidic in nature? Because the reason is very simple, because this will forms a carboanion, and carboanion, you know that the reaction intermediate is a very reactive species, so no chance to donate a proton. Instead of that, immediately it will attack on the carbonyl carbon because it's a positive center and this requires a positive center. So immediately this will happen, the carbon-carbon bond is formed. So as this enolate anion of extra pair of electron attacking on the carbonyl carbon, carbon become pentavalent, so that oxygen becomes negative because oxygen shifted one pair of electron, as you seen here in this reaction. Okay. Now what happened? This is very important and crucial because many of the students are not understanding at this stage. So be careful and very cautiously you have to see here. What happened? Here the HOH means the water molecule has been already there in the reaction medium. So this HOH having a H plus anion, this H plus anion is taken up by this oxygen, because this oxygen required a electrophilic any species. So electrophilic species like an acid of the water molecule is there, and this will form the aldol. Aldol means what? ALD means aldehyde and the ol. How? OH and the CHO group. CHO group for aldehyde ALD and OH for the aldol. So this means this HOH having release H plus ion and remaining the OH minus ion is again react with the Na plus, and the catalyst as a strong base is again back to there in the salt form in the reaction vessel. So this type of reaction is known as the aldol condensation, where the alpha hydrogen is must. Okay. Now further, what happened if this aldol having warm or heat? Okay, this is an aldol reaction, but what happened? So when we heat this aldol in the presence of acidic medium, or you can say in the presence of water medium, this OH is take up a proton again, and formation of the water molecule and becomes an hydronium ion, so that this oxygen becomes an oxonium ion. ऑक्सोनियम आयन होने की वजह से क्या हो रहा है कि ये जो CH2 ग्रुप है, क्योंकि ये CH2 जैसे ये CH3 बना था, ये CH2 भी कैसा है, एसिडिक प्रोटॉन की तरह से बिहेव कर रहा है. तो यहाँ पर यदि हम इसको गर्म करेंगे तो ये भी एक एसिडिक प्रोटॉन होने की तरह से बिहेव करेगा, और ये यहाँ से बिहेव करेगा तो यहाँ से क्या निकलेगा H+, ये H+ इसको निकलेगा, ये H+ यहाँ से निकलेगा, और ये ऑक्सीजन हाइड्रोक्सिल के साथ ये रिएक्ट करेगा जिससे वाटर मॉलिक्यूल बनेगा, पर वाटर मॉलिक्यूल में ऑक्सोनियम आयन बनेगा, और ये वाला जो बॉन्ड है कार्बन ऑक्सीजन बॉन्ड ये इसको देगा, जहां से कंप्लीटली वाटर मॉलिक्यूल बाहर निकलेगा, और यहां पर इस तरीके से अल्फा बीटा अनसैचुरेटेड अल्डिहाइड प्रिपेयर हो जाएगा. अल्फा बीटा अनसैचुरेटेड अल्डिहाइड crotonate but 2-enol has been prepared if the aldol product is heated. So further, when aldol product is heated and consecutively it will prepare the alpha beta unsaturated but 2-enol. This is the common name is the crotonaldehyde. So I hope that you are understanding this reaction. If you find any difficulties, then you can drop a question in my WhatsApp group. Thank you.